Now we place this unit in this area like this for a reason.
Okay.
If we would have set it like this, it would have been pumping the carbon monoxide up into that vent.
And that would be bad.
That's no good.
Yeah.
So in order to circumvent that, we went around and switched it around. We'll open this thing up so you can see inside.
Well, there's a key right here. No, there's not.
No, there's not. This is not shut.
There was a key there.
Yeah, right here. Somewhere.
Right there's one.
There's the key.
There you go. And the lid is just really for the wind, you know, to protect from the elements. It's not really security from somebody. I've never heard anybody messing with one of these. Never.
Yeah.
Never. Not for the
Well, I'm
comfort,
glad it's in
not
my
for-
backyard. 'Cause-
Not for the curiosity, nothing.
Right.
This is your controller right here. If it ever, and here's that sight glass I was telling you about, the red and amber and the green light.
Okay.
Okay, that's your status indicator light, and this is your control board. So if this thing started smoking out here, everything, there's a switch here on the back also. I'll show you. If it started spitting and sputtering, that switch right there, you can kill it.
Okay.
Okay, so be careful when you're out cutting the grass and going around the unit, you don't accidentally bump into that. If you
Oh,
would
got it.
bump into it, this is what happens. Bam. Stopped, alarm, auxiliary shutdown. So what you do is you turn it back on, open the unit up, push off, and enter to reset. Then go back to auto mode.
Okay.
Make sure you're always in the green. Okay.
Green is good.
Green is good, yes. The techs, when they come out for the maintenance, this is shipped with organic oil. They're going to switch it out to 5W30 synthetic. Once they do that, they're going to adjust the valve lash under these valve covers.
And they'll be over in July sometime.
Yes, sir.
Do they schedule it normally? They just call you and say, "Hey, we're
It's on your invoice.
got it."
The
Okay.
date and time, it's in the afternoon, I know that.
Perfect.
But I'm going to start this up if you would stand over here, because that's the exhaust fan. To kind of give you an idea of the noise.
Oh, okay.
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 No, I appreciate it.
We're just a phone call away.
All right. So really, we don't do anything.
Not
This
a
comes
thing.
on at 2:00 on Wednesdays,
Yes, ma'am.
once a week,
Yes, ma'am.
and it'll go for about 10 minutes,
Yes, ma'am.
and then every
Go
6
back into
months.
standby.
Yeah, every
Now,
6
do you
months.
just
That's
do
it.
installation, or are you part of the maintenance team as
I
well?
just do installation.
Got it,
That's
got it.
all. That's
Yeah.
all I do. I focus, and mainly mine's gas.
Right, you're the plumber.
Yes. Fuel delivery specialist.
Fuel delivery.
Plumber's not
Jim
much
called you the
between
plumber.
plumbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, no.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll come out here and we can get that thing painted, see where knock some wood out over there. So
Oh, okay.
if we get the paint out, because we need to do that other pipe over there next to
Yeah.
your gutter garden.
Yeah.
So we might as well do it all at once.
Yeah.
This is your gas line.
They buried
Been
it.
pressure tested. It's safe.
Okay.
Buried under. Come up with a riser here
Okay.
and feed your unit. This is your electrical feed coming up through that flexible hose there,
Okay.
and you're good to go.
Sweet.
I know where to come when the power goes off.
There you go, man. Go in the block party because everybody else will be here too.
All right.
All right.
Any other questions? Is there
No,
anything?
I think that's it.
Okay, downstairs, there's just a box on the wall, like,
It looks like a fuse box.
Yeah.
yes. And that's where the thinking takes place for the utility loss and restoration and the transfer of power. So would you like me to go down and show you that?
I could show the box. I was down there.
I
with
saw the
Brandon.
box, but if you, I mean, whatever you think.
There's nothing to do with it really. It's
There's
just-
not much in there
No.
really. It's just two solenoids that transfers the power. That's where it thinks when the
Okay.
utility comes in and it fails.
Uh-huh.
That's where it senses at, and it pulls it down the generator.
Oh, okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Sends it the signal to start up, and once it warms up, then it will transfer.
I can go down there and
Okay.
show it to her. It's no big deal.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Is this still in the ground?
I don't know what that pipe is.
Okay.
They stepped on it and they kind of stubbed up, but I don't think it's anything.
Okay.
I think that's probably
The old one?
sump pump
Okay.
line. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
All
probably
right.
my one. There you go.
It's been a pleasure, Chris.
Yeah, thank you so
Extreme
much.
pleasure. Thank you very much.